In today's fast-paced world, organizations have to focus on more than just the bottom line. They need to manage complex, modern-day challenges. Navigating this environment can be difficult for those responsible for workplace safety. With over 130 years of experience and a broad portfolio of innovative hand, body, and connected workplace solutions, we have the technical expertise, regulatory know-how, and credentials to help personalize and optimize your PPE choices, whatever your industry. As a manufacturer committed to a sustainable future, we can demonstrate how different PPE choices benefit communities and reduce your organization's environmental impact. And with 800 sales professionals, 15 manufacturing facilities, 24 warehouses, and a network of outsourced suppliers around the world, our teams are eager to partner with you to enhance your company's growth and performance. Stay 2 steps ahead of workplace risk and lead your organization to a safer future. With Ansell,